Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1-to-1.54 scale high grade Destiny Gundam Heine Westenfluss Custom. Right, here is the box itself. Now, well, I gotta admit, I'm not really a huge fan of Destiny myself, really, but I figured, well, because I like the design of the Destiny Gundam. I'm not saying I'm a fan of like the show or I'm like Shin, but you know Shin's like quite really. But yeah, the reason why I picked this up along with actually if you saw on Instagram, you noticed that I actually got two of these. If you're wondering why I got two of those, because one of them is for my friend, his first birthday present, and the other one's for me. So yeah, let's put it that way. But yeah, I will show you guys the box. This isn't unboxing really. So yeah, so from what I know from the like some information I've seen in online so far, the Destiny gun is I guess I'm not sure, but I believe the Destiny gun is originally intended for Heine himself. Unfortunately, well, he's a minor character and he got killed off in the end. Like he got killed off at some point, and now the Destiny also Shin, which is sad. But I mean, in fact, if you guys didn't know, Heine is voice. Okay, I'm more used to saying Hein, but it's supposed to be Heine. That's a official pronunciation. But Heine's voice actor is TM Revolution. I don't understand his name, but I know he's TM Revolution. So, people are making jokes about him about this. Like a joke about he being a minor character and it's voiced by a very famous Japanese singer. So yeah, I mean I don't see a point in that, but never mind. Okay, but also, this kit, from what I heard, is actually a limited edition production. It's very similar to like the Real Good Unicorn Gundam in Ben Destiny version, something like that. Except now it's high grade, it's orange color. It's a color swap. It's basically a limited edition color swap. So let's put it that way. But yep, I'm excited to build it. I mean, well, not now, but I need to build my 30 minutes mission kits first, get the review out of the way before I can start getting this building. So yeah, so the box. So the box art looks very cool. I really like the box art. In fact, it is the same box art as the Destiny Gundam, the original Destiny Gundam, not the OC version. I mean like this HG Cosmic Era version. It's exactly the same art, just as it's color swap and the wings are bigger. Okay, that's interesting. On the side here, we have the front and back shot of the kit. Well, again, it is a color swap, so nothing really much to say here. And basically, the stuff you can do, and the character himself, Heine Westenfluss. Yeah, I think I could, from what I'm saying, no, his death is pretty kind of sad, really. I don't know, but he didn't do much, but I feel, but he's the reason why people like him is because of the voice actor, which is Team Revolution, which yeah, in fact, you can tell by the model of Revolution. That's a giveaway that it is like supposed to be. It is TM Revolution's like so-called Gundam, if I put it that way. And the side here we have basically it just tells you what these thing is about. So I didn't know this, but okay, basically they're supposed to make more Destiny Gundams, guys. So there's been another Destiny Gundam for the Heine, but unfortunately he died. So okay, it's fair enough. Doesn't mention the price. I think this is 2,200 yen, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, let's open the box. See what's inside. I just got it. I got this yesterday, so I didn't manage to get an unboxing because it was pretty late when I got back home. So I am gonna do the unboxing just the next day, and here we go. Alright, let's open the box. First back we have the sticker sheet. Again, not a lot, it's pretty good. It's exactly the same sticker sheet as the original Cosmic Era Destiny, so that's pretty good. Okay, now this is what I like about the Heine Westenfluss version. Okay, so in the original Destiny, this is the what play is this? E1 play. Okay, the E1 play. Okay, the red is more of a bright red. This one's more of a pastel dull down red, so that's pretty cool. On the back we have we have the orange parts that make up the kit, and you got the light blue for the accent on the vents, and then the Arendite beam sword. That's pretty cool. yeah, and the yellow V fin, and yeah, well, oh yeah, this here is just a clear blue, which is for the yeah, the polymer fin China, which is that looks really detailed. That's pretty cool. I really like that. All right, and the beam shield. Next up, we have the polycaps. I don't think from what I know, you don't use everything in not all the polycaps because it is a so-called Gundam Evolution Project thing. E2, which is again in that dark pastel red, and the reason why people want to get the Heine Westenfluss version of the Destiny is the Wings of Light, which is instead of being pink, it's now orange, and not just the Wings of Light, but also the beam effect for the beam boomerangs and the beam sword. The B2 plate, which is again, it's called it's a toned down gray as opposed. It's a very light gray as opposed to the white in original Destiny. And the C2 plate, carbon copy of the original Destiny. Oops, let me move that back a little bit. Okay, put it aside. The T2 plate, which is all the parts to make the eyes and the parts to make the beam cannon. And the D1 plate, which is in a black for the black colors on the kit. And the last bag, we have the B1 plate, which is again all the toned down gray, and you get the the C1 plate, which is all the gray parts. Right. Some instructions if you need a Gunpla, and the manual. Oh, the manual is really small. Oh boy. I mean some of the high grades I've built so far have bigger manuals. I mean the University are bigger, but this one's pretty small than I expected. That's interesting. Yeah, it's pretty small. It reminds me of like the Iron Blood Orphan kits, if I put it that way. The size really. Yeah, the assembly is just pretty basic really. I'm pretty sure this is a really quick build, like from what I'm seeing here. But yeah. And on the back we have more details about of Heine's Destiny. So yeah. Alright. First unboxing of the high grade Destiny Gundam Heine custom. So yep, I will get this. If you guys want to know if the wings like going on the back, right? Yes, they do. I'm not sure about the orange, but I will check. I'll get back to you guys once I get it checked. But yeah, yeah, it's a pretty like interesting build. Like I mean, we first saw Strike Freedom, then Freedom, no Justice for some reason. But anyway, but yeah, yeah. Overall, I'm pretty psyched to build this kit. I mean, not immediately until I finish my 3 mission kits. Then I'll get the guys build probably next week. So I'll get the review a couple weeks from now. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for our videos. Peace out.